Doors must open for you. May God favor you in unfavorable situation. The Lord bless you. The Lord keep you. The Lord be gracious to you. May God give you peace. I decree and declare that you'll never be embarrassed, financially and otherwise. Every shame coming to you, coming for your children, coming for your family, I speak over your life. Let God rise. Let the enemy be scattered. In the name of Jesus, the Son of the living God, I address forces depriving you a better future, depriving you success, depriving you promotion, depriving you to get a job, depriving your business to grow. Every forces and systems, I address them in the name of Jesus. Give way now. In the name of Jesus. Give way now. In the name of Jesus. I rise as a prophet. Let the darkness make way for the light. Let your ways be open. Let it be lighted to way. Let it be lighted to school. Let your children shine. Anyone looking for you through tragedy, through shame, in the name of Jesus, if I be a prophet, I nullify their plan. In the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus. Let God rise. Let the enemy be scattered. Lift up your voice and begin to pray. Declare a clear atmosphere in your life, in your finances, in your career, in your business. The name of Jesus. Blessings upon blessings. Grace upon grace. Favor upon favor. In the name of Jesus. May God favor you. Begin to pray.